Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. All the trades taken using Magic IB system only. So these are right here. I'm showing my entries and stop move to break even. And you can see, so the week started on the 23rd and ended 27th, Friday. Right, so this is the trade Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart on the 23rd. This one, and then you will see the next one right after that on the 24th. So this was the one on 23rd, came down, another entry came down 85 pip, and that was for 95 pip, 23 and 24. So almost like 160 pip or 180 pip in just a couple of days. Using the system. So this is how beautiful it is. So you get a lot of trades, a lot of entries, different pairs. So on the 24th, we have multiple trades. This is Euro Aussie, and then we have on 24th pound CAD, right? Same scenario, same entry setup. This indicates all the way blue candle goes into the wave, coming out as a red candle. And then this is on 24th for 105 pip, pound CAD. And then on the 24th, this is from my laptop, other account, and it is 110 pip, pound Aussie. Aussie was getting strong, so Euro Aussie, pound Aussie went down this whole week. And on the 24th, Euro Newsy was also getting strong. So Aussie and Newsy both start to get strong again. And all these pairs where they are on the right-hand side, they went down. So this is a sell order here as well, 125 pip on the 24. Now on the 25, this is the one, pound yen, and went up from here, 110 pip, because of the yen weakness. And but on the 25, there was pound yen, and this is on the same euro yen, and it is, so you can see both of them went up because of the yen weakness. So I'm following all the indexes as well. That helped me a lot. So pound yen, euro yen, both to the upside. Pound yen has a decent amount of pippage, but euro yen do not have daily range that much, so it only moves a little bit. So this is 110 pip, but euro yen is only 65 pip. Now on the 26th, there was nothing. And, once the trade happened and the move happened already, then they retrace. So sometimes they take to do the retracement, and that's why you don't have any setups and you don't have any trades. So after this, retracing and all that, and then setting up, and then again on the 27th, those setups start to play out again. So Euro Aussie from the 20-minute chart, this is a beautiful Elliott wave count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 38% by the book. And this is how this, usually they unfold, and that's exactly what happened. So this, coming down for wave 5, this is the entry I got. I got in early, even before the trigger candle came in, because of the pivot, daily pivot was right there, and I knew the Elliott wave count and all that. So I made I actually I put a pending order there, and then that got kicked in. So, but the setup is there. You can see that the setup was there. Right. On the 27th, pound Aussie as well, it went down exactly the same setup. You can see here at the 420 pip, and this Euro Aussie was 90 pip. And then pound Newsy, again, like I said, the Aussie and Newsy both starts getting strong, and then those pair went down. Euro Newsy, pound Newsy, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, all of those. So sell order here, beautiful entry here. You can see here the yellow line went above a little bit, but I still made it. Sometimes you break the rules. Not breaking, it's like bending the rule, right? So it's 105 pip here on the 27th. And if you know exactly what the system is, and you can bend the rules here there once in a while. no big deal. Aussie USD, because of the Aussie strength, you can see that Aussie USD went up. Beautiful entry here and wobble a little bit and then start to go up 65 pip here. And then on the 27th, Aussie yen, again, Aussie strength, sending these two pairs to the upside, and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie to the downside, because Aussie is on the right hand side on those two pairs and the left hand side on these two pairs. So Aussie yen, Aussie USD going up, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie going down. All right. So these are the, like 13, 14 trades for the last week, ended on the 27th August. And I have some really, really good setups for the next week. So let's see how the next week goes. And after, whatever the trades taken, I'll be posting on my website as well. And we'll make a video later on. All right, so this is the system, and all these trades you can see that were taken by the book, by the setup. Only that was Pound Aussie, just one, it was like a little off, right? But everything else is exactly, but this is exactly the system, is that, price comes down into the wave between this yellow and black line. Yellow must be above the black, and this indicates all the way down, price making a higher low, and red candle turned blue. I open the trade right there, and boom, it goes. Every single trade you can see, same setup, same setup here. Yellow is below the black for the short, right? And you can see here the same thing, right? You see this beautiful, same setup. And then pound yen also. Look at that. Same setup every single time. All right. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get a hold of the system, then go on my website and subscribe. And over the weekend, today is Saturday morning, you can get the system, set up the charts, and start trading like this from Monday. And yeah, there is a little bit of learning, definitely. Right. So if you're new, then yes, you have to put some time and effort and learn and set up the charts. If you don't understand, then I go on on Zoom, and I help you out with setting up the charts and all that. No big deal. It's easy. It's a piece of cake for me. So I just guide you, do this, do that, and the charts will be set up on your computer. And there's an alarm for this setup. So when the setup is ready, the alarm beeps. So you don't have to sit down in front of the computer all day long. You can just put the alarm on, and then whenever the setup is ready, the alarm will beep. And then later on, you can take the trade once you have a reversal candle and a trigger candle. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.